What's goody?
What up, world?
We got your boys. We back again with a few special guests this time.
Let's go. First off, we got Rocksteady in the building.
You got your boy Black Magic.
We got Ida, aka First Lady. You know what I'm saying?
We got my girl, my best friend, A Boogie, aka Beans.
And last but not least, Brianna B Streets.
So yeah, we're gonna show y'all how we cat daddy. Okay?
Let's get it.
Call me SpongeBob, like a Krabby Patty. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob, like a Krabby Patty. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Bitch, I go to work, you're too short, I'm too low. I'm in the club all black, like headlights. I'm too on, do my cat daddy going next to the acorn. I'm a motherfucking fool for this. When it comes to the yard, I'm the coolest kid. I'm in my prime barbecue rib, and he smells like pubes all around my dick. I'm blockaded like a goalie, pockets guacamole. Chicks in the back, at your neck like a rolling.